If you suddenly started gaining weight, especially belly fat, even though you haven't changed anything, if the workouts you used to do don't work anymore, if you're hungrier, more tired, craving more carbs, and feeling like your body has a mind of its own, there's one hormone that might be responsible for all of it: estrogen. And when estrogen drops even slightly, weight loss can feel almost impossible. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why low estrogen makes fat loss so hard, how to know if it's happening to you, and the beginner-friendly blueprint to rebalance it naturally so your metabolism finally wakes back up. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Please talk with a qualified practitioner before starting or changing anything. Estrogen matters more than what you've been told. Estrogen is not just a reproductive hormone. It's one of the most important hormones for fat burning, where that fat is stored, for appetite and cravings, for blood sugar control, energy, mood, sleep, muscle retention. When estrogen drops from perimenopause, menopause, postpartum, stress, or even dieting, the entire system shifts. Your metabolism slows, your hunger goes up, your belly fat increases, your mood dips, your sleep worsens, and your body becomes extremely resistant to weight loss. But all of this is reversible. I'm going to address 4 reasons why low estrogen makes weight loss hard. The first reason is because your metabolism slows down. Estrogen helps regulate how efficiently your body burns calories. Low estrogen means fewer calories burned, which means faster weight gain. This is the number one reason why women say, "I'm doing the same things, but still gaining weight." The second reason low estrogen makes weight loss so hard is because your body stores more fat. Low estrogen shifts fat storage from your hips and thighs to your stomach. This is why we have the menopause belly. But again, this can start years before menopause. The third reason low estrogen makes weight loss so hard is because hunger and cravings go through the roof. Low estrogen disrupts the hormones leptin and ghrelin, your hunger regulators. This causes more hunger, more cravings, less satisfaction with meals, emotional eating, late night snacking. Not a lack of discipline, it's chemistry. And the fourth reason low estrogen makes weight loss so hard is due to losing muscle faster. Estrogen protects muscle. Low estrogen equals muscle loss, which equals slower metabolism. This is why women feel softer or puffier, even if the scale doesn't change much. There is a fix, however, and it's a natural fix. I call it the Estrogen Reset Blueprint. No expensive supplements, no extreme dieting, just the basics your hormones actually need. The first step in the blueprint is to stabilize blood sugar. This is the foundation. We can do this by adding protein plus fiber to every meal, reducing processed carbs, eating real meals, not grazing, walking 10 minutes after eating. Stable blood sugar equals stable hormones. The second step of the blueprint is to, well, eat. Most women aren't eating enough, and low calories crash estrogen further. So you want to aim for an average of 1,700 to 2,000 calories a day. This is variable, of course. Also, you want to aim for 30 to 35 grams of protein per meal and healthy fats for hormone production. Your body can't rebalance hormones without fuel. Step 3 of the blueprint is adding estrogen supporting foods to support estrogen metabolism naturally. Foods like flaxseed, berries, chickpeas, lentils, leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, even small amounts have a big impact. The fourth step of the blueprint is to reduce estrogen disruptors. These are things like environmental chemicals that can disrupt hormone balance. Here are some things to swap. Instead of drinking out of plastic, choose glass. Instead of using scented products, choose unscented versions. Also, avoid toxic cleaners. Choose cleaner brands. A great source for learning about toxins in our personal care products is the Environmental Working Group, EWG.org. Simple tweaks equal massive long term payoff. Step 5 of this blueprint is strength training. Strength training is the best thing a woman can do to fight low estrogen. It boosts muscle, metabolism, blood sugar control, fat burning, confidence as well. 2 to 3 short sessions weekly is adequate. And the sixth step of the blueprint is to lower cortisol. High cortisol suppresses estrogen. You fix this by sleeping 7 to 8 hours a night, eating before caffeine, walking outside daily, and doing 5 minutes of slow breathing. This actually stabilizes hormones faster than most women expect. Everything I've shared so far is the foundation. But if you want a more structured, longevity focused plan specifically designed for women who are dealing with low estrogen, weight gain, fatigue, mood changes, or that stubborn belly fat, this is where my programs come in. Vitality RX, the age defying hormone and longevity plan, is extremely valuable if you are a woman approaching or are in menopause. Prescription Detox, the Midlife Reboot Academy, is designed for men and women at any stage in their life. Both programs help women rebalance hormones, restore energy, reduce inflammation, support estrogen naturally, optimize metabolism, and improve long term wellness. These are not just a supplement stack, it's a guided lifestyle plus hormone strategy built for real women. I'll have the link in the description below so you can learn more. If weight loss suddenly becomes harder, if belly fat appeared out of nowhere, if your body feels unpredictable, it's not you. It's not age. It's not a lack of discipline. It's likely low estrogen. And now you know how to fix it naturally. If this helped you, please like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Do you think your estrogen is low right now? Let us know. And if you want to learn more about another surprising hormone that might affect your weight and your body composition, check out the video on the screen. This just might give you a surprise.